Hi guys, welcome to Easy Chinese Classroom. I'm Li. This is our lesson 6 in Chinese Pinyin series. Today we will learn compound finals A, N, and N. So first, let's review what we learned last time. Last time we learned compound finals starting with A. They are I, Ao, An, and Ang. Do you remember the tips I told you about how to pronounce compound finals? Yes, just like when you spelled a diphthong, we just slide from the first one to the second one. So this one, I, right? I, and the O, ow, and the an, and the on, I, ow, an, and the on. Here, when we put n, g together, it's just like in English pronounced on. Okay. Now read again. I, ow, an, on. Now today's new lesson, we will learn compound finals starting with e. They are e, a, and Here you need to curl your tongues. Yeah, and n, and ong. Now let's learn them one by one. The first one, a. It sounds like letter A in cake. A, 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 a. Once again, a, 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 a. Now let's spell them. He, hey, hey,色，黑色 black 黑色 and this one 的打 雷打雷 listen 打雷 thunder okay and this one 给你给你 here you are 给你 here you are and this one 累 tired 累 okay next one it sounds like er in term well er is a special compound final we used it like an independent syllable. It doesn't spell with any initial, just by herself. Okay? Now with the tones. Er. Now let's practice. Er, 儿子 See the family 爸爸妈妈女儿儿子 son 儿子 OK 耳朵耳朵 ear 耳朵 ear and 二 means two 二 一 二 And today I also want to introduce syllable to you. It's quite popular in Beijing dialect. I believe all of you know Beijing, right? It's our capital city. Well, in Beijing dialect, 儿化音 is quite popular. It means syllable. Well, in 儿化音, syllable, is usually shown as its shortened form, For example, this one, 哥 们 Here is the shortened form, okay? 哥们 But we must spell it together. 哥们 means bros, okay? And 姐妹儿 When you greet to a boy, you can say 哥们儿. When you greet to a girl, you can say 姐妹儿. Okay, follow me. 哥们儿姐妹儿 And one more. 么赢名儿名儿见明儿见 See you tomorrow. 明儿见 Okay, follow me. 明儿见 together. Okay, put together. 明儿见 Okay. Now next one. N. It sounds like en in hen. N. Okay, with the different tones. N. Okay, some practice. 满 分满分 for score. 满分 Okay, this one. 门 door 门 And this one. 稳 kiss 稳 The 笨 stupid 笨 And here the neutral tone 闷 just now we meet it, right? 哥们儿姐妹儿 Well, 们 it shows the plural form. For example, 我们 我 means I. When we say 我们 we, it means we. Okay, 我 I, 我们 we. And 你们 你 you, the singular form. And 你们 the plural form, you. And 他们 here 他们 he 他们 they 他们 she 他们 they This one it 他们 they Yeah, so 们 shows the plural form. Okay, now read after me. 我们你们他们我们你们他们 Okay, the last one. Remember 那个 pronounce Okay, Now with different tones. On 嗯 This one. 坑乌啊哇坑洼 means holes 坑洼 And 横横横，树树树，横竖横。When you write Chinese characters, 横 like this, 横, yes, from the left to the right, 横, and 竖 from the top to the bottom, 竖横竖. And this one, 冷冷 cold, 冷 and 好好梦好梦 sweet dreams 梦 dreams 好 sweet good okay 好梦. Okay, today we learned compound finals starting with a, n, and on. Now quiz time. Try to spell by yourself. Okay, this one. Yes. 吃熬草 梅草莓 strawberry 草莓 and second one. 微风微风 breeze 微风 and this one. 人生人生 lives. Yeah, the purpose of lives is to be happy, right? Do you agree? 人生 and be attention here, no g sound, okay? 人生 this is 人生 is a kind of herbs, yeah, 人生 and 知蒸鸡熬饺蒸饺 I believe you like it, right? Dumplings, it's steamed dumplings. There are different kinds of ways to cook dumplings. For example, fried dumplings and steamed dumplings, and you can also boil it into the hot water, right? Boiled dumplings. Yeah, dumplings. Oh, I'm hungry. Yeah, 蒸饺 and this one. 自爱在哪儿在哪儿儿化音 OK 在哪儿七安钱在哪儿 The policeman ask 钱在哪儿 And also I can ask 你在哪儿 Where are you 你在哪儿 So 在哪儿 is a question to ask where OK 在哪儿 OK that's all for the quiz. So, do you feel easy to spell Chinese pinyin? I think the answer is yes, right? Okay, today we will have more practice on n and on, because in China some people can't distinguish them. Now, this one. 赤昂成龙成龙 This is Cheng Long. I believe you know him, right? Jackie Chan. It's a famous kung fu star. Well, Chen Long. This is Chen Long. I bet you don't know him, right? Well, Chen Long is also a Chinese actor, but not as famous as Cheng Long. So, Cheng Long, Chen Long, Chen 先生 Chen 龙 And then this one. 后啊花盆花盆 花 peng 棚花棚花棚花盆 and 花棚花 flower pen pot flower pot 花盆花盆花盆 well 花棚花棚棚 shed花棚 this is 花棚 these are 花盆花盆花棚 and 分these two 分风 and 分 means minutes 30 minutes 30分分 well 风 means wind 风分 and this one 是恩神是恩圣神圣神圣 holy 神圣 Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Hope you enjoy it. And here I want to express my special thanks to those friends who have subscribed and left comments. I really got inspired to update the lessons. And I'm preparing free live lessons as well. If you'd like to participate, please leave a message on comment. Okay? Thank you for watching. See you next time. 再见。